Welcome to NPM Tech One. Today we talk about incredible technologies for the urban environment. Heatherwick's Rolling Bridge. The studio was commissioned to design a pedestrian bridge to span an inlet of the Grand Union Canal at Paddington Basin, London, and provide an access route for workers and residents. Crucially, the bridge needed to open to allow access for the boat moored in the inlet. The aim was to make the movement the extraordinary aspect of the bridge. A common approach to designing opening bridges is to have a single rigid element that fractures and lifts out of the way. Rolling bridge opens by slowly and smoothly curling until it transforms from a conventional, straight bridge into a circular sculpture which sits on the bank of the canal. The structure opens using a series of hydraulic rams integrated into the balustrade. As it curls, each of its 8 segments simultaneously lifts, causing it to roll until the two ends touch and form a circle. The bridge can be stopped at any point along its journey. The whole structure was constructed at Littlehampton Welding on the Sussex coast and then floated up the Grand Union Canal, before being lifted into position and attached to the hydraulic system which powers its movement. The rolling bridge won a number of awards, including a Structural Steel Award and an Emerging Architecture Award. It opens every Friday at midday. Inventions. Inventions is automated waste collection system that provides citizens with a sustainable waste collection acting as a part of the urban infrastructure. Users throw their waste into ordinary inlets where the bags are stored temporarily. Automatic emptying is governed by a control system in the waste collection station, which is located on the outskirts of the development it serves and linked to the inlets via a network of underground pipes. When the control system senses that it is time to empty the inlets, Inventions' fan system is initiated and a vacuum is created in the pipe network. Waste at the collection station is sucked through a cyclone, where it is separated from the transport air. It then falls down into a compressor where it is compressed and fed into a sealed container. High-security barricade control systems. Delta Scientific offers a wide variety of high-security protections, ranging from K-rated bollards and K-rated barriers as well as sophisticated control systems. Whether you need to secure military installations, warehouses, government buildings, energy facilities, or corporate headquarters, Delta Scientific provides the means to do so. Delta's control systems feature the latest and most advanced protection technology current available. Early warning systems enable active security measures built into Delta products as well as alert features to on-site security personnel. Delta Scientific's high security protection and barricade systems are used around the world by governments, armed forces and corporations. Lift-assist telescopic bollards. Collection of high-security lift-assisted telescopic bollards are built with a sealed internal gap strut which has been developed to assist the user by reducing the manual lifting weight of the bollard by around 70% when compared to a non-lift assisted retractable bollard. A heavy-duty telescopic bollard would normally be quite heavy to raise and lower, but with the lift-assist conversion, they are effortless to raise and lower and designed to eliminate any risk of injury or discomfort for the user. To ensure the highest level of security, and your complete peace of mind, all of the lift-assist retractable bollards within range have also been inserted with the award-winning 10-pin anti-drill push-button top lock, which means the lock can't be drilled or picked and the keys can't be copied. Vehicle detection sensors. Smart Parking has designed and developed a range of in-ground, surface mount and overhead indicator vehicle detection sensors. These can be installed in any configuration, meaning we can cater to almost any site terrain and requirements, from on-street parking to multi-level car parks, or a mixture of both. The technology they employ allows us to accurately capture a vehicle's arrival and departure times, relaying this information to Smart Cloud via our Smart Spot gateways.